that it?
You're starting to get a little.
No, that's rain. That's still rain shit.
I understand, but between you can see past the
Yeah,
rain.
you can a little bit. Oh wow. Yeah, you
That's
can.
it.
It's slowly starting to clear out.
It's like, look past the rain. Holy shit.
All right, I'm getting in the car. Holy crap.
That was.
Roll on that. You can. That tornado's right in front of you.
Yeah, it is.
Right there.
Right there. Holy crap.
All right, hold this, hold this, hold this. Shit, I'm gonna be behind them, and we are in the hail core. Fucking balls.
That's a freaking tornado. Ah!
Everybody, hold on to your shit. Too far behind you guys.
That
was a mile wide wedge, dude.
That's no joke.
Jamie, what's up? I am in southwest Oklahoma trying to dodge a tornado currently, and also about, I don't know, baseball size hail. We're near Elmer, Oklahoma.
And Tipton.
And Tipton.
That was insane.
All right, I gotta go. I gotta drive.
Bye.
Brian, do you copy? Get up with these guys.
Holy shit, there was a big hole in that thing.
Yeah, I had one about take off my right-hand mirror.
In my head.
There was one.
Did you get a shot of that when it showed itself through the...
Yeah, I've had this recording since we were standing up there
Yeah,
and it
there's
started
about
hailing.
3 car lengths between me and the car in front of me, and one hit the ground and exploded like a small bomb.
Dude, there was some hitting the ground and they weren't even breaking. We're still getting held.
Jesus, what is up with all these spiders? Seriously?
I think you've got like a nest in your freaking car.
Can somebody hold this, please?
We need to talk south to this thing just a little bit.
Alright, just acknowledge, copy.
Copy.
Well, that spider's pissed off now. No, it's not.
I told you, I've like killed 3 today.
I know, I don't know what the hell's going on. Let me ask him where he's turning south. Where are you turning south?
Past the river. Well, I'm glad we went with this one and not the northern